In a digital world, we often like to talk about the things we can do when we're online, but there is still absolutely no substitute for being face-to-face. An event like Fine Food Show North just brings together people who have an interest in meeting each other. There are suppliers, there are restaurateurs, there are farmers, all of these people who have an interest in as robust a food supply chain as there can possibly be. And it's about meeting people and recognising how much you have in common that businesses flourish. Getting together in times of plenty are fine. It's getting together when the economic headwinds are strong and they are cold, as they are going to be in 2018. It's a very good time for people to get together and meet each other.
There's a lot to do, but because food and drink, more than ever, not just in the north of England, but all over Britain and Ireland, is changing, and shows like this are really more crucial than ever. So get yourselves along.